the things. That because our God is in charge, our God always blesses us and opens his ways for us. Blessing a home, therefore we are saying, God, we want you to be number one. Jesus first. God first. Blessing a home, we are saying, God, take charge of this home. Take charge of all that we do here. Take control of our lives. So we entrust the home, we entrust ourselves into the hands of the Lord, into the hands of the most powerful, of the all-powerful God. Some perhaps would go to look for the heads of goats, heads of rabbits and so on, heads of frogs, and tie around, wasting time. How can a head of a frog look after you? Or a dry head of a rat? What protection can that one offer you? The protector, the right protector, and the all-powerful protector is God. And that is what the speaker is telling us, that we must always turn to God, the protector, and say, God, protect us for our neighbor. We should wish well to everyone. We must bless them. Because when we have peace, then we expect development. When we have peace, we expect prosperity. Where there is peace, there is joy, there is happiness, and it presupposes love. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah.